Hello friends, welcome to the Maharashtra Music Olympiad Association. In today's lesson, we will be talking about the gharanas of Indian classical music, in particularly vocal music. Gharanas in Indian classical music is an age-old tradition which is based on the Guru Shishya Parampara. The Guru invents his or her own unique style of singing, which is then passed down to students generation after generation, and which eventually leads to the formation of a gharana. In other words, gharana refers to a particular style of singing. In the olden times, everything, including art, was pretty much localized. People living in one particular region had no idea of what was happening in another region. So, the style of singing of a particular region also remained confined to that place and didn't travel. As a result, all the gharanas have got their names from the places that they originated in. There are 10 major gharanas in the vocal segment of Indian classical music. The first one that we are going to talk about is the Gwalior Gharana. This is one of the oldest gharanas in Indian classical music. It was started by Mian Tansen. Some of the popular artists of this gharana are Krishna Rao Pandit and Raja Bhaiya Poonchwale. Some of the contemporary artists of this gharana are Meeta Pandit, Shashwati Mandal, Vasundhara Komkali, etc. Let us now look at some of the features of this gharana. Singing in an open and loud voice is a prominent feature of this gharana. The khayals have a touch of the Dhrupad style. Tans are straight and sapat. There is a lot of laykari involved in bol tans, and you will find an extensive use of gamak in the singing of this gharana. Next, we talk about the Agra Gharana. This was founded by Haji Sujan Khan and Ustad Ghage Khuda Baksh. Some of the popular singers of this gharana are Fayyaz Khan, Khadim Hussain Khan and Zohra Bai. Some of the contemporary singers of this gharana are Wasim Ahmad Khan and Bharati Pratap. Let us now look at some features of this gharana. Singing in an open and clear voice is a very prominent feature in this gharana. The artists of this gharana specialize in Dhrupad, Dhamar as well as the Khayal style of singing. Bandish occupies a very special position in this gharana, and there is a lot of laykari involved within the bandish itself. The alap is done using the words nom tom. There is also a specialization in singing boltans, and the singers of this gharana make it a point not to break the words while singing so that the meaning doesn't change. Next is the Kirana Gharana. This gharana is very popular in terms of the artists that it has produced. This was founded by Ustad Bande Ali Khan, who incidentally also used to play the Rudra Veena. Some of the popular artists of this gharana are Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Firoz Dastur and Prabha Atre. And some of the contemporary singers of this gharana are Sumitra Guha and Sanhita Nanda. Let us now look at some of the features of this gharana. There is a special way of rendering the notes. More importance is given to the swar than the words. This is an alap dominant singing, and alap is done by slowly expanding the notes one by one. There is a touch of Thumri style in the singing of this gharana, as well as the style of playing a string instrument. There is also an extensive use of meend and gamak in the tan. Next, we come to the Bhendi Bazar Gharana. This is one of the oldest gharanas and was founded by Chhajju Khan, Nazir Khan and Khadim Khan. Stalwarts like Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar, Manna Dey and Begum Akhtar belonged to this gharana. The Merukhand system of alap is a prominent feature of the Bhendi Bazar Gharana. Next, we come to the Jaipur Atrauli Gharana. This gharana was founded by Aladia Khan in the late 19th century. Some of the disciples of this gharana are Ashwini Bhide Deshpande, Raghunandan Panchikar, Shruti Sadolikar, and Sanjay Dikshit. The Jaipur Atrauli Gharana specializes in the Khayal style of singing. There is a predominance of complex swar formations and unique laikari. This gharana also boasts of a rich collection of ragas. The next one is the Patiala or Punjab Gharana. This was founded by Ustad Fateh Ali Khan and Ustad Ali Baksh. Some of the prominent singers of this gharana are Ghulam Ali and Shafqat Amanat Ali. Let us now look at some of the prominent features of this gharana. The compositions of this gharana are fast-paced and there is rhythm play in the compositions. There is an extensive use of Alankarik Tan and Phirat Tan. There is an expertise in singing Tan and Thumri singing as well. Next one is the Rampur Seheswan Gharana that was founded by Ustad Inayat Hussain Khan. Some of the prominent singers of this gharana are Ganpat Rao, Arun Bhaduri, Hariharan, Sonu Nigam and Shan. Let us now look at some of the prominent features of this gharana. The singing style is similar to that of the Gwalior Gharana and features medium to slow tempo of singing. Singing in a full-throated voice and an intricate play of rhythm is also predominant in this gharana. Next is the Indore Gharana. This was founded by Ustad Amir Khan. Some of the popular singers of this gharana are Sultan Khan, Singh Bandhu and Pandit Amarnath. Let us now look at some of the special features of this gharana. The singing style is a mix of the singing styles of legends like Abdul Wahid Khan, Aman Ali Khan, Rajab Ali Khan and Abdul Karim Khan. The tempo of the bandish is relatively slow and it focuses on the development of the rag and its melody. There is a good use of tihais in the compositions of this gharana. Next, we come to the Mewati Gharana, which was founded by Ustad Ghagge Nazir Khan. Some of the popular singers of this gharana are Pandit Jasraj, Pandit Abhyankar, Kala Ramnath and Pandit Arvind Thatte. Now we come to the special features of this gharana. Singing is more khayal based. The compositions of this gharana are influenced by the Sufi and Kirtankar styles. You will find that most of the songs have a spiritual element attached to it. And at the end, we come to the Sham Chaurasiya Gharana. This was founded by Chand Khan and Suraj Khan. The prominent singers of this gharana are Salamat and Nazakat Hussain Khan. Let us now look at some of the features of this gharana. This is one of the most modern gharanas of Indian classical music and is known for its vocal duets. It is a gharana of Dhrupad singing, which is highly influenced by the Khayal style of singing.